Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 most weirdest marriages in the world. Number 1. Man marries cat. A postman in Germany has married his black and white cat. The blushing bride even dressed in white for the biggest day of her 9 lives. Although an actress had to play the registrar after stunned official refused to carry out the ceremony. Number 2. Women with objects fetish marries Eiffel Tower. Erika Latour Eiffel, 37, a former soldier who lives in San Francisco, has been in love with objects before. But it is the Eiffel Tower she has pledged to love, honor and obey in an intimate ceremony attended by a handful of friends. She has changed her name legally to reflect the bond. Number 3. Man marries himself. This one happened in China 2007. A man and his photo in women's costume get married with the witness of more than 100 friends and relatives. Number 4. Women married to Berlin Wall for 30 years. Isa Rita Berliner Mall, 54, whose surname means Berlin Wall in German, built the concrete structure in 1979. Number 5. Man in Japan wears anime game character. A man named Sal 9000 married the love of his life in November 2009. Her name is Nani Anigasaki and she lives inside of a Nintendo DS video game called Love Plus. The wedding took place during a Make Japan meetup held at the Tokyo Institute of Technology. Number 6. Women getting married to fairground ride. Miss Wolf, 33, from Pennsylvania, will change her surname to Weber after the manufacturer of the ride. She travels 160 miles to visit 10 times per year, according to reports. Number 7. Women marries dolphin. Sharon Tandler said Cindy was love at first sight. She finally took the plunge and proposed in January 2006. In a modest ceremony at Dolphin Reef in the southern Israeli port of Eilat, Tandler, a British citizen, apparently became the world's first person to marry a dolphin. Number 8. Women marries snake. A woman, Bimbala Das, who claimed to have fallen in love with a snake, got married to the reptile as per Hindu rituals in India. Though snakes cannot speak nor understand, we communicate in a peculiar way. Whenever I put milk near the ant hill where the cobra lives, it always comes out to drink. Number 9. Women marries her dog. An African woman, Emily Mabau Aburi Ghana, married her 18-month-old dog in a ceremony this week attended by a priest and local villagers. Number 10. Man marries pillow. Lee Jin-gyu's beloved pillow has an image of Fat Testarossa from the magical girl anime series Mahou Shoujo Lyrical Nanaha. He has worn the pillow in a special ceremony after fitting it out to the wedding dress for the service in front of a local priest. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.